Oh boy, here's another recipe from my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook. A wonderful cookbook it is. And this recipe, you ready? It's called Hot Thighs. And this is wonderful. I think that oftentimes when I make this, and I love this recipe, I will change the spices around depending on what I have. Okay, first of all, cayenne pepper, of course. Salt. And it's up to you. What do you want to use? Powdered garlic. That's going to be like a half a teaspoon right there. And this is paprika. Here's the chili powder. Oh boy, does this smell good? I'm having a lot. Turmeric. I love turmeric. That's about a half a teaspoon right there. And I'm going to add powdered ginger. You know, spices like these are actually really good for you. And they have therapeutic properties. Stir these around. I have 4 chicken thighs here, and actually in my recipe it calls for 6 boneless, skinless thighs. But you know, I got these at the store. They looked so good, and I thought, you know what? I'm just going to buy them. I want to coat each piece with these beautiful spices. One more. Say that prior to this, I've had these. This morning, I had a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and I poured the lemon juice over these pieces, and then they've been sitting in that. So now they have the spices on them, and the lemon juice is there. These are going to be really good. Just want to make sure that they're coated. Woo. And now I'm going to heat my toaster oven to 450. Now just cover this pan with some foil. Okay, we're up to 450. And I'm going to set the timer for 40 minutes. Now, I'm just going to turn these pieces over like this. Oh, they smell so good. And I'm setting the timer again for another 40 minutes. Oh my gosh, there are the hot thighs, and they are so beautifully done, and they smell wonderful. Now, in my cookbook, I serve these with blue cheese sauce. The recipe is in there, yeah. Blue cheese, if you like that. I like that. And then also potato wedges, which is going to be my next video. So what a nice meal that's going to be. Give this a try and buy my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook. You can get it anywhere, online, favorite bookstore. Buy it.